Using the SL50 in timer mode. The Univex SL50 Spiral Mixer is specifically designed to mix bread dough and all other leavened doughs with a hydration of about 50% and can mix dough in batches of up to 110 pounds. Connect the power, turn the machine on, and check to make sure that the stop button is not engaged. Lift the bowl guard and add your ingredients to the bowl. Then close the bowl guard again before beginning operation. To mix using a timed cycle, first make sure that the keyed mode selection switch is set to timer mode and then set the timers. The first timer is set in 30-second increments and controls low-speed operation. The second timer is set in 1-minute increments and controls high-speed operation. Note: to mix in low speed only, do not set the second speed timer. To mix in high speed only, do not set the first speed timer. Once the timers have been set, press the Start button to begin mixing. The dough hook will begin rotating and the bowl will begin to spin. To assist with the initial mixing of ingredients, press and hold the reverse button for a few seconds at the beginning of the mixing cycle. Additional ingredients may also be added through the safety cage while the mixer is running. Note: lifting the bowl guard while the machine is in operation engages a safety switch which will stop the mixing cycle. If both timers have been set, once the first speed timer has completed, second speed operation will begin automatically. To remove the dough, raise the bowl guard. Larger quantities of dough may be more easily removed by cutting it up into smaller portions with a plastic spatula or pastry knife. For easier cutting, the bowl may be rotated slightly while the safety cage is up by pressing and holding the Start button. Note: do not use metal utensils while removing dough, as they may scrape and damage the bowl. Thanks for watching the Univex SL50 Spiral Mixer training video. If you have any further questions, contact Univex at 800-258-6358, sales@univexcorp.com, or visit us on the web at www.univexcorp.com.